So, is to this video, mag-experiment tayo kung paano ma-monetize sa ads on Reels, guys. Time check and date natin, ayan, Saturday, April 19, 2025, guys. So, punta tayo sa aking Facebook page, guys. Magpapasa tayo ng interested kay ads on Reels. Then, punta tayo sa ating dashboard. Okay? Makikita nyo, guys, so marami na akong followers. Views ko, guys, 3 million. So, hindi pa rin ako monetize sa ads on Reels. So, yung unlock ko na monetization, ito pa lang, guys. Ayan, star. Then, subscription. Check natin tong monetization ko, guys. So, ayan. Your tools. Ayan, start. Subscription. Partnersing ads. Ads on Reels, guys. Hindi pa ako monetize. So, magkasubmit tayo ng interested. Click natin yung ads on Reels. Then, click natin tong I'm interested, guys. So, meron ditong, yan, let us know you're interested in this program. Expressing interest, this program does not guarantee accept that you want to receive a response if you are not eligible. So, maglalagay guys ako dito ng comments. So, meron ako guys ginawang comments dito sa aking notes. Ayan. So, copy ko lang to. Ayan. Copy ko lang to guys. Ayan. Copy. Then, back ako sa aking Facebook page. Ayan. Paste ko dito guys. Nakalagay dito option na let us know why you think you should be eligible for this program. Option na lang to guys, pero sa akin maglalagay ako ng aking comments. Ayan guys. Basahin natin. Good day. I hope you give me a chance to have these ads on Reels tools on my Facebook page. I promise to follow and not violate the community standard, including the partnership monetization policy, content monetization policy. Promise also to create original Reels content only with my own creation, guys. Ayan, then, submit ko tong interested, guys. So, ayan na. Interested, submit. Thank you for sharing your interest in the program. You will be notified if you are become eligible, guys. So, mag-update, guys, ako kung mamomonetize ako sa ads on Reels. Okay, para ma-update kayo sa ginawang experiment, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye!